Hello kids, today we learn 30 wild animals named together.
Lion.
Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle and has a big golden mane.
Tiger.
Tiger. The tiger is a strong cat with orange fur and black stripes.
Elephant.
Elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal with a long trunk.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck to reach tall trees.
Zebra.
Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes all over its body.
Cheetah.
Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal.
Leopard.
Leopard. The leopard is a spotted cat that can climb trees easily.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. The rhino has thick skin and a strong horn on its nose.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. The hippo loves to stay in water and has a big mouth.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. The gorilla is a big, strong ape that lives in forests.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is a smart animal that uses tools.
Panda.
Panda. The panda eats bamboo and has black and white fur.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. The kangaroo hops on two legs and carries its baby in a pouch.
Koala.
Koala. The koala sleeps in trees and loves to eat eucalyptus leaves.
Sloth.
Sloth. The sloth moves very slowly and spends most of its time hanging on trees.
Wolf.
Wolf. The wolf lives in packs and howls at night.
Fox.
Fox. The fox is clever and has a bushy tail.
Bear.
Bear. The bear is large, furry, and loves to eat honey and fish.
Deer.
Deer. The deer is gentle and has beautiful antlers.
Bison.
Bison. The bison is a huge animal with a shaggy mane that lives in grasslands.
Moose.
Moose. The moose has long legs and large, flat antlers.
Elk.
Elk. The elk is a strong deer-like animal found in mountains and forests.
Hyena.
Hyena. The hyena makes laughing sounds and is a good hunter.
Cougar.
Cougar. The cougar, also called a mountain lion, can leap very far.
Wild boar.
Wild boar. The wild boar has sharp tusks and digs for food.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. The crocodile lives in rivers and has sharp teeth.
Monkey.
Monkey. The monkey swings from tree to tree and eats bananas.
Baboon.
Baboon. The baboon has a colorful face and lives in groups.
Raccoon.
Raccoon. The raccoon has a mask-like face and is very curious.
Meerkat.
Meerkat. The meerkat stands tall to look out for danger.